Balenciaga here, and as you can see, Mr. Crazy on Balloon Guy is there at Donato Karate Center in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, doing his Crazy on Balloon Guy dance. And we are actually at open houses today, and I just want to send out a quick video to everyone that we're going to be here from 10 o'clock all the way through to 1 o'clock. We're going to have snacks, hot dogs, all beef, I believe, with a whole bunch of other stuff. So it's pretty much going to be a lot of fun, snacks, refreshments, friends, fun, and food. We're going to have special today. If you're a student, come on in. We're going to be giving out points. If you bring a friend, you get points. You win door prizes. A lot of fun things, plus our regular classes. Anyone who's not a student can come on in and participate in one of our free classes. And we'd love to have you. Donato Karate Center, corner of Route 38 and Clark Road in the ShopRite Shopping Center. Call us at 856-235-0414. Hope to see you here today. Take care.